Good day and welcome back to Senior Health Australia. If you're over 65 and you've noticed you feel bloated after meals, you're a bit more tired in the afternoon, or your bowels just aren't what they used to be, you're not alone. Today we're talking about something most Aussies over 65 never get told. Your gut is aging faster than the rest of you. And the good news? You can fix it in just a few weeks with simple changes you can buy at Coles or Woolies. Stick around. This could be the most important video you watch this year. According to Australian health experts and the latest data from Health Direct, as we hit our 60s and 70s, our gut changes in 3 big ways. We produce less saliva and digestive enzymes. The gut microbiome, those trillions of good bacteria, becomes less diverse, and the muscles that move food through your system slow down. The result? More bloating, constipation, low energy, and even brain fog. Poor gut health is now linked to faster aging, weaker immunity, and higher risk of chronic conditions that affect so many older Australians. But here's the best part, you can turn it around. Let's look at the 5 most common signs your gut is aging faster than you, and exactly how to fix them right here in Australia. This is general information only. Sign number 1. You feel bloated or full for hours after eating, even with normal portions. This happens because your gut produces fewer enzymes to break down food, especially dairy and processed carbs. The fix is simple. Swap to smaller, more frequent meals and add prebiotic foods you can buy anywhere. Oats for breakfast, a handful of almonds, or some garlic and onion in your dinner. According to Australian nutritionists, aiming for 30 different plant foods a week makes a massive difference. Sign number 2. You're going to the toilet less than 3 times a week, or you have to strain. Constipation affects up to 23% of Australians over 65 and gets worse with age and some medications. The fix: drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water a day, more if you're on meds. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds or psyllium husk to your morning yogurt, and walk 20 to 30 minutes after dinner. These are the cheapest and most effective fixes recommended by Health Direct. Sign number 3. You crash in the afternoon even though you slept okay. Your gut and energy levels are tightly connected. Poor microbiome means poor nutrient absorption. The fix: include fermented foods daily. Natural Greek yogurt, kefir available at Woolworths, or a small serve of sauerkraut. Studies show these boost energy in seniors within 2 to 4 weeks. Sign number 4. Brain fog, forgetfulness, or feeling a bit down. The famous gut-brain axis. The gut produces 90% of your serotonin, and an aging microbiome affects that. The fix: follow a Mediterranean-style diet, the Aussie version, extra virgin olive oil, fatty fish like salmon twice a week, plenty of leafy greens, berries, and nuts. This diet has been proven in Australian research to improve both gut health and brain function in people over 65. Sign number 5. You're putting on weight around the middle, even though you haven't changed your eating. An imbalanced gut makes it harder to process calories and increases inflammation. The fix: add a quality probiotic. In Australia, Swisse Ultibiotic, Daily Digestive Probiotic, or Blackmores Probiotics are popular choices for seniors because they contain strains proven to survive stomach acid. Take it every morning with food for 4 to 8 weeks. Here's your simple 7-day starter plan you can start tomorrow. Breakfast: oats with chia seeds and berries. Lunch: grilled salmon or chicken with heaps of veg and olive oil. Dinner: smaller portion plus a fermented side. Snack: natural yogurt or a handful of almonds. Move: 20 to 30 minute gentle walk daily. Sleep: aim for 7 to 8 hours. Remember, poor sleep kills good bacteria. Always check with your GP before starting new supplements, especially if you're on medication. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. In the comments, Tell me which sign you relate to most. I read every single one. Links to Swisse and Blackmores are in the description below. They're all available at your local pharmacy or online. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, legends.